Today we are going to conduct our experiment on DC position control, and this is our experiment setup, and this one is our Tektronix DSO, and this one is the motor unit of DC position control. So in this experiment our aim is to study the performance characteristics of a DC motor angular position control system. So in this case we will first do with the continuous command, then with our step command. So first we will do the continuous command part. So our aim is the position control through continuous command. So to conduct this we have to keep this switch towards the up position or downward, and we have adjusted this forward gain at 4, and we are using this connecting cable for the measurement of voltage of VR and V0. Initially now it is the reference angle is 0, not exactly 0 but close to 0, and our motor angular position is 5. So we have to note down it, and first we have to note down this reference angle, then this output angle, then this VR, which is initially it is 0, and this V0, which is also 0. So now we will increase the reference step by step in 30 degree, in steps of 30 degree. So here I increase it to 30 degree. You can see the output angle also change to 30, and here V0 is 0.32 voltage, and this VR is 0.35 voltage. So let's increase it to 90. I increase it to 90, and you can see that the output is very close to 90 degree, and thus the VR is 1.15, and this V0 is 1.11. So in this process we have to continue this process till up to 360 degree, and note down this reference angle and output angle and this VR and V0 in each step. Okay. Next is our position control through step command. So to conduct this we have to put this tacho feedback switch to negative, and we have to ensure this VR should be 0, and we have to set this forward gain at 2, and we have connected this DSO. Okay. We have connected this X with the channel 1 of the DSO and Y with channel 2. So first we have to do with different forward gain. Initially it is 2, then we have to increase 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Okay. So first we have to press this reset button, then this mode. When we are pressing this mode, then this light is changing and switching from display to capture. Here you can see when I am pressing it reset, then this red indicator is at display. When I am pressing this mode, it is changing to capture mode. So now I have to apply the step command by this switch. Okay. We can see this indicator is changed to display. Here we can change the format, and from this response we have to calculate the MP, TP, TR steady state error. So I am repeating the experiment with different value of forward gain. I am taking it to 5. Okay, again we have to follow the same process: reset mode, then we have to apply the step command. Okay, from this response we have to note down or find out the values of MP, TP, TR and steady state error. Okay. So after completing the experiment with different values of forward gain, we have to now fix the forward gain at 6, and we have to change the tacho gain from 0 to 1 step by step. Initially I am taking it to 0.2, and I have to follow the same step like earlier: reset mode, then step command. And we can see this is the response, and we have to follow the same step like earlier, and we have to measure the MP, TP, TR and steady state error. So same step we have to do with this different values of tacho gain. Okay, so we have to repeat the whole steps with this tacho feedback positive, keeping this switch towards positive side. Okay.